Hello. I want to tell you a story. It is about a stone, a big stone. One morning, the king put a stone in the road. He wanted to see what people would do. A farmer came first. He saw the stone. He sighed. He walked around it. A merchant came next. He saw the stone. He shouted, "Why does no one move this?" But he also walked around it. Many people passed. They complained, they cursed, but none of them touched the stone. At last, a poor boy arrived. He carried vegetables on his back. He saw the stone. He stopped. He put down his bag. He pushed. The stone was heavy. His arms hurt, but he did not stop. Slowly, the stone rolled to the side, and under it, he found a bag of coins with a note. The note said, "This reward is for the one who moved the stone." The boy smiled. He carried his vegetables, he carried the coins, and he carried a new truth in his heart. Problems are not only obstacles, they are also opportunities. Now, I want to ask you, what is the stone in your road? Do you walk around it? Do you complain about it? Or do you try to move it? The stone may be heavy, it may be hard, but maybe, just maybe, something good is waiting under it.
If you enjoyed this lesson, click here for another learning video.